Hi guys, Martin from Belief. In this video we're going to look at how to assign a thumbnail to a YouTube video. The process of assigning a thumbnail to a YouTube video is very different to assigning a thumbnail to a Wistia video or a LinkedIn video or similar. So we're on the social panel right now. You access this panel from the social menu up the top here in the primary menu. You will either see at the moment, it's kind of split. You'll either see the primary Sendify panel or you'll see the legacy Sendly panel. Now, at some point very shortly after creating this video, we will migrate everybody over. Unfortunately, there are people using the legacy system and it's not compatible with the new system. So that change will take shape very shortly, and it is imperative or essential for continued use of Vista and managed articles and so on, or virtually all of the social features. So across the top, we've got a whole bunch of different menus. Towards the right hand side, a bunch of icons that represent the major social networks: LinkedIn, Flickr, Google, Instagram, Wistia, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook groups, which is largely deprecated because Facebook removed their groups API endpoint, and Facebook. We're looking at YouTube. Select that small icon and it will bring you to the YouTube panel where you have a number of options: uploading videos, modifying your channel and playlist banners, sections, thumbs, comments, chapters, and so on. We're going to select thumbs. This will present us with two options. That is, one, to upload an image. This might be an image that you recycle over and over and apply it to different videos. The second one is assign, where we assign a specific thumbnail to a video. Now, I've created the most basic thumbnail of all time, and I've created it for the video that says assign video to Cornerstone primary pages in Yabber, and I've just put in a play button. Probably the most boring thumbnail ever created. You will do much better. I created that in about 15 seconds. I just wrote the text and dragged an image on. Good thumbnails are important for businesses, and this is one of those cases where I say do as I say and not as I do, because I am hopeless with thumbnails. I just don't have the time. And that was the motivation for creating a method that will generate images automatically via AI. It's a standing prompt that you create, and it points to the video, looks at the description, all sorts of things, and then creates a really, really nice thumbnail. We'll create a separate video for that at the moment. It's not globally available because the cost benefit of a lot of the AI systems can't be justified when we don't charge for the system. So I don't think we've ever issued an invoice for Yabber. So here is the upload panel. We're going to upload that video, that thumbnail I just showed you. Very basic thumbnail, upload single image, that is uploaded, and we will select the video. Now that was assign website corner pages in Yabber. That's the one. I'm going to select this, this black button. It should be green because the change will be made immediately. I will select that. Takes a few seconds, and thumbnail updated. Now that video is currently shown somewhere here on our this is on the lender library page for the Commonwealth Bank. It was showing this as a default thumbnail, which is automatically assigned by YouTube. If I refresh this page, it will now show the updated thumbnail. Hopefully that doesn't play. There we go. And super simple to do, guys, but it does make a big difference to how your page looks. It's apologies, I just got a phone call I had to hang up on. So yeah, it makes a big difference to the presentation of the page. It has to be consistent with your brand, has to be descriptive. It can't just be a video and title, despite the fact that's what we do, again, which will change when I find the time. But you want the video to be enticing enough that it encourages someone to actually hit that play button. There are different types of thumbnails you can use to improve upon your engagement. Once you do get improved engagement, you get improved visibility in YouTube and so on. So it is kind of one of those essential things for brokers to do, particularly given the infrequency that most brokers create videos, so you've certainly got the time. It only takes a couple of minutes. The AI engine will dramatically improve upon the entire process and introduce a new level of agility to your operation. Remembering you can send videos to YouTube from Vista, from Instagratify, and from Yabber itself. So creating and uploading the videos is a piece of cake. However, the thumbnail has always been one of those sticking points, but it will no longer be so very shortly. My name's Martin Curry, Belief Media, 0400 777 300. Call or text me at any time for any reason. Our office number is 1300 235 433. That's 1300 Belief. And our website is beliefmedia.com.au, and there are a large number of FAQs within the FAQ module available via the top menu on our website. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.